channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So today, guys, I am unboxing my Beem box, which is this box right here. And this is the company's name. So this is a black-owned company that has a bi-monthly subscription box. And they generally have like a lot of different makeup brands in here, about five or four products. I can't quite remember. I think it's 5 products, 5 to 6. And the box costs $39.95 bi-monthly plus a $5 shipping cost. So this is the Beem box, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. I believe this is the May-June 2020 box. I will just call it the summer box, which is easier for me to remember. But we're going to go ahead and get right into this. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. This channel does a lot of subscription unboxing and luxury hauls. If you enjoy both of those things, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. You'll stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, let's get into this box right here. So they always have the women on here with a different color lipstick, and the lipstick matches the box, which I think is really cute. Always makes you feel a little happy when you get the box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And guys, they do give you a card every month in here, and it generally just says your Beem box has arrived. And then on the back, you have information about the products that are inside, as well as the value of the products that you received. So sometimes I consider this to be more like an indie box, because you get a lot of brands that you may not even know or be familiar with, but you also sometimes get brands that you are familiar with. So it's like a mixture of products that are in here. So it can be skincare mixed with a little bit of makeup. Generally, this box is more heavy on the makeup than the skincare. So we'll just get right into it. So let's get started. Let's see what we're going to start with. Okay, so the first product I pull out is a Skin & Company product, and we are all pretty much familiar with them. This is a very well-known brand, and we have a eye concentrate from them here. And this is the Truffle Therapy Restructuring Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate, and this product is made in Italy, and this product has a $60 value. So it says this product was created to target the appearance of tired eyes. Okay, this was made for me then. Puffiness, bags, and dark circle. This is a concentrate that is formulated with antioxidants and vitamins to protect against free radicals and environmental damage. So they said the tip for this is use right before your moisturizer. And generally with these eye concentrates or creams, you just need like a quick little dab, and you just kind of go like this and just tapping it under your eyes, going all the way around. I was really expecting a bigger product in here. This is what we got compared to the packaging. I feel like this is just a waste. Like, you could have just put it in a smaller box. Like, I don't know. That's just me. But this is our product here. So $60 value. So let me go on to the next thing out of my box. So guys, the next product I have a eye brush set, and this is made by the company Kala. And this is the essential eye brush set here that we have, and it looks like it's in rose gold. And this brush set is valued at $10. I think that's appropriate, because I remember seeing this brand, I think at either TJ Maxx or Marshalls, or probably either both of them, because they both sell the same stuff. And I remember seeing some brushes, and they weren't that expensive. So that's what we have here. It says these super soft bristles are a perfect way to blend your colors, with 5 essential brushes to help you create the perfect eye look. And I'm gonna just pull it out here. And I like the fact you have the little tube to carry it, so that's neat. Let's see. Yeah, they feel pretty soft. I mean, I've never used this brand before. I have seen it in the stores. I just have never used this particular brand. They feel nice and soft. We'll see how they perform, because I never know until I actually go to use them, like if they're moving the product good, or if they're kind of all over the place, or if they're falling apart. So far, I mean, it seems like they'll be pretty good. I don't see anything falling out, so this might be a pretty good brush set to use. So I'm going to roll right into our next item out of the box here. So we have a Bella Pierre product here, I see, and this is the Liquid Gold. So Bella Pierre product, which one is this? This is their looks like a highlighter. Is it a highlighter? Yes, the liquid gold is valued at $25, guys. And it says, it's now your time to shine with liquid gold shimmering highlighter. So it is a highlighter. This dynamic highlighter is full of shimmer, subtle sparkles to help you achieve your beautiful glow. The tip that we received from them is to enhance your look with a half a pea size and blend out the points on your cheeks. Or the high points on your cheekbones, rather. So this is the product outside of the box, and you know I like to try stuff out, so I'm gonna put half of what they said. I put like a split because I don't know how intense this is going to be. So let's give it a whirl and see how this blends out in real time, which is always helpful, so you know what you're working with your product. So yeah, I would need a little bit more. It blended out. There is a slight shimmer. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I would need to put a bit more. There's a bit on my finger. You can see it reflective a bit, but it kind of blended in really good with me. So this will actually work well for me, I think. Just based on this little bit here, but it's not too much, so you could kind of build upon your desired effect with your highlighter, which I think is great. So this again was valued at $25 for the Bella Pierre highlighter. And we have our next product here. Who is this made by? This is made by Infinite Lip Cloud. Who makes this one? This is valued at $20. EM Cosmetics is the brand. I'm not familiar with them at all. It says that this is formulated with goji berry extracts. This velvety and whipped cream glides on and saturates your palette with a rich color. The color I have is Hush Berry, which looks like it's a nice little color here. Let's pop it out. I love purple looking colors. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. That's very summery. Nice. And I'm just going to take a quick swatch on the back of my hand because this looks so, ooh, this is bringing it. Ooh, ooh, I like that. And it's a matte, looks like a matte color to me. That's really nice. I like that. That is really nice. 20 bucks I think is a pretty decent amount for a lip formula. It says the tip here is for a really subtle look. Apply the lipstick with your fingers by dabbing the product on evenly. Oh, that is a interesting tip. I'd have just used it off the applicator and went from there. But I love the way this color looks. This is going to be nice on me. So guys, we have one product left. Let's see what we have. So this is the product here. Let's pull it out. This is by Mellow. I'm not familiar with Mellow. Mellow Cosmetics. We have an eyeshadow quad here, and this is valued at $30. Let's see what we have here. And it says an eyeshadow quad created with our 4 complementary shades. If I can get in here, hold on. This is how it looks out the packaging. This one is called Aphrodite, the palette that I have here. And it says multiple looks can be created with this neutral, smoky to sexy slash of color. Everything in between. This is the quad designed to bring out the modern goddess in you. So we have 4 colors here. All colors are cohesive and can be used to create a full eye look is what they're saying on here. It's a kind of neutral palette. You got this peachy looking color, this brown, light tannish brown. You got a gold, and you got like a bronzy looking kind of gold here. So I'm going to swatch them real quick. I'm not uberly impressed with the colors. I'll just tell you that right off the back. I think it's kind of boring, but that's just my opinion. Let's see what we got. I'm going to swatch these 2 here. If I got enough. Yeah, I think I got enough. This brown one you're not seeing. This would be a good base color. And let's swatch these 2 here. And it does come with a mirror, which I think is great. Okay, so I have swatched them. This is what I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, this is on my hand and not on my face. It can look completely more different. Everything swatched really well. I don't have much fall back on my fingers at all when I went to pull away. So I can use it. It's not a problem. I just think the colors are a bit not that exciting. That's all. So guys, we have all of our items out of this box. I'm going to do a quick recap. We have an eyeshadow quad at $30 by Mellow Cosmetics. We have a lip product here, Infinite Cloud by Cosmetics, valued at 20 bucks. I really like this color. And we have Bella Pierre liquid gold highlighter here, valued at $25. We have our Cala brush set here, which is valued at $10. And guys, the last product we have, which is our Skin & Company eye cream concentrate here, valued at $60. This is the most expensive product in our box here, which pays, I guess, for the value of the box, because it's even more than a box. So guys, overall, my impressions of this month's box, it was okay. I liked everything. I'm not like too overjoyed. It's a brush set. It's not like it's one of the best ones, but it did get the job done. I think I like the fact that it does have a little travel case for the summer. So these are some items you could kind of quickly pack in your travel luggage and kind of be out. And I think, you know, even though I think this palette is boring, but if you're going to a resort or something and you just kind of want a low maintenance look, I think you can definitely get the job done. And I think you can stack the shadows on each other to have a more dramatic look if you're going out for the evening. But I think it's like a pretty simple makeup setup here to just take on and go with you. And I like the highlighter. I liked how it looked on my skin. And I'm pretty satisfied with it. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the May-June summer box for the Beem box. Have you guys tried out this box before? And if you have, what did you think about it? Thanks guys for stopping by my channel to check out this unboxing. If you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like button. It does help my small channel here on YouTube, and it lets me know what content you guys enjoy watching. If you've already subscribed, thank you. I appreciate all the love and support. If you have not subscribed, please take a moment to consider subscribing to this channel. I do weekly unboxings on this channel, and it would allow you to stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings, and it's free, and it would just help my small channel here on YouTube. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!